Hey, Orion.
Orion. Oh, look at you.
First time. Oh, we let go. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. I wonder what would happen if you let go with both hands. Jump, jump, jump. Yeah. He just wants to eat it. Look at his little feet touching the floor. Zaya, come here. Come here, Zaya. Here she is. Jump, 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 jump.
Who got this for him?
Somebody gave it to us.
Oh, okay.
Murtis gave it to us. I'm gonna get him a toy for his tray.
Alright. Say goodbye, buddy. You having a good time? Orion. Orion. Look at you.